This is a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, leather steering wheel trim, a multi-link rear suspension, a trailer hitch receiver, tinted glass, traction control and stability control systems, dusk sensing headlights, and this vehicle has less than 16,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Tim Castellaw Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 920 Highway 51 Bypass in Dyersburg.